we did is we took a regular corner, cardboard corner, and we added an extra thickness so it will create a void on this edge so it does not make contact with the corners themselves. So if you look from the top, basically this is how the space should be. So if you remove this, and we wrapped 2 pallets. Basically this pallet had shrink wrap with a hand, and this one we wrapped it using the exact same corners but shrink wrapping with a pre-stretched film at the 2:1 in terms of stretch. When we look at the corners, these corners were fine when we started with, but as you can notice, some of them they started bending. I don't know if you can see the bend here. Yep. In your video, and going down. So what this proves is that because the pallets are not 100%, they can never be 100% straight aligned, they always will create a damage even when we use protected corners that had space in them. Looking at the other pallet over here that we had stretch wrapped it, pre-stretch wrapped it, looking at the condition of the corners, you will see that are identically the same way. The only difference is you almost see no damage here because the variance between the file movement from the sheet movement is minimal.
Yep.
Our next test will be to use regular corners, and then what we will do is we will use shrink wrap at 2:1 on this pallet, and we will use regular corners on the other pallet, and we're going to use hand wraps, and we're going to see if the damage stays worse or does it stay the same.